Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive on your Android device. While this highly realistic driving simulator is designed for powerful computers, you can still enjoy its unique soft body physics and open-world exploration on your phone or tablet. We will explore two main methods that bring the full PC experience to your mobile screen, ensuring you do not miss out on any of the action. One excellent way to play BeamNG Drive on Android is through cloud gaming services. These platforms host the game on powerful remote servers and stream the video directly to your device. You simply need a subscription and a strong internet connection, preferably 50 megabits per second or higher, to enjoy seamless, high-fidelity gameplay without needing a powerful local machine. Another effective method is streaming the game directly from your personal gaming computer. If you own BeamNG Drive on PC, applications such as Steam Link allow you to mirror your game onto your Android device. This requires a robust home network, ideally a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection, and a capable PC with at least 16 GB of RAM for optimal performance. To truly enhance your BeamNG Drive experience on Android, a few key steps are vital. First, connect a Bluetooth gamepad for superior control over touchscreens. Second, ensure you have a very stable and fast internet connection, ideally over Wi-Fi, to reduce any input lag. Finally, experiment with the game's graphics settings to find the perfect balance for your device and connection speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.